In this short video, I'm going to explain a little bit about an app called Up in Pieces. You can see it's displayed on the screen here. What this app lets you do is it lets you take a picture and turn it into a jigsaw puzzle. So with that being said, let me explain a little bit about it. One way that I could see it being used in my first grade classroom, we use a curriculum called Journeys. One of the products that we get with Journeys is that we get this online database of all of our resources called Think Central. So with that, I'm also giving a list of our vocab words that we work with each week, and what we can do with these is we get picture cards to go along with the words that we learn about each week. So here's an example of what one of those picture cards would look like. What I could do is I could take a screenshot of this picture here. So once I get that screenshot of that picture, it's saved to my desktop. Then what I could do is I could go to my Dropbox account and I could upload that screenshot. From there, once it's uploaded to Dropbox, I could then go onto my iPad, and within the iPad I could take and download that screenshot that I took and save it to my photo library. Once it's saved to the photo library, then I can go back into that Up in Pieces app and choose to create a puzzle, and I'm going to choose from my personal pictures, and on the camera roll you can see that I have that picture. There it's inserted into the app. The only problem is you see that it's not really it's not going to give me that whole picture. You can see the little grid there on the screen. What I can do is I can turn it to landscape, and it gives me a better choice of getting most of that picture. Once you have your puzzle created, click the green check mark and it'll allow you to go and choose what size of your jigsaw puzzle you want. Once you've chosen the puzzle that you would like, go ahead and click the green check mark again, and then you'll have your puzzle built. From this point on, you're allowed to kind of construct that puzzle. So what students would be able to do is they'd be able to open and choose the build option. Once they choose the build option, they would have to turn their iPad sideways, which would allow them to then drag the puzzle pieces onto the screen and construct the puzzle. One of the things you might be wondering though is, if I have this puzzle created on my own personal iPad, how do I get it to those students' iPads? One of the options you saw, if you click on the puzzle you created and click share, you're able to then take and share that puzzle with an email. So if I took this and I emailed it to an account that's on those iPads, what that would allow students to do then, let me go in here and get rid of this puzzle for us. So what it would allow us to do then is that I could go into the mail, and you can see there's that email that I sent. If I click on that first link, you can see that it's going to actually take it to where you're able to open it up on your device. You can see here it says to receive the puzzle, view this invitation on your device, and click here. So you can see there, I clicked on that link, and what it's going to do is it's going to automatically load in that puzzle that was created. So you can see it says shared by. So that would be a simple way that you could take and create a puzzle on your own iPad and share it with your students via email. The one downside to this app so far is just that it does have ads at the very bottom. So that's one thing to keep in consideration, but all in all, it looks like a fun app for students to practice maybe math facts, vocab words. Really, the options are kind of endless as far as what you want to do to turn an image into a puzzle.